Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm making a walkthrough video of a 2023 Yamaha 252 SD. Guys, beautiful boat. Comes with this painted black trailer, white hull, nice black rub rail with stainless insert, recessed cleats. Guys, taking a look at the back here, you'll see you have these tables slash benches that can go either direction. This is awesome for entertaining when you're hanging out at the lake, just chilling with your friends. Makes a great hangout area. You'll see we also have the table installed back here on the back. You also have a transom shower and a transom stereo remote. Nice transom walkthrough to get to your cockpit. Plenty of bench seating on each sides, followed by side-by-side captain's chairs. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see the Yamaha Connect screen, digital throttles, all your instruments nicely placed and easily reached. Taking a look at the bow, guys, you have your bow filler cushions that turn this into a giant sun pad, or you can take them out for different styles of lounging. Anchor locker all the way up front, with an additional boarding ladder. Guys, great boat, available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. For more information, stop by our local showroom or give us a call. Thank you for viewing and have a great day.